Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do this from a black wig to a ash blonde, golden blonde, brown kind of color highlights. I really love the results. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And now let's see how I got to this beautiful hair. Yes. Alright, so the first thing I got is a 30 volume and some Wella bleach powder that I'm gonna mix together. Honestly, I'm eyeballing my measurements to be honest. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it together. Honestly, guys, I put like two bleach powders. No, sorry, two bleach and a half powders, and then eyeballed the 30 volume. So I ended up sectioning my hair just to make it a little easier for myself, and now I'm just gonna honestly put the bleach everywhere on my head. Well, not my head, my wig. Except for the roots, guys. I'm not gonna put it on the roots because I still want to keep like this dark brownish color for my roots. But yeah, so we're pretty much gonna bleach it all. Super easy. Honestly, the results are gonna come out nice. Like, well, honestly, if I do it right, it should come out like looking brown orangey-ish. But I know I did, so definitely do that steps. It will give you better results. And also, just a fun fact, I actually did go to hair school for a year where I learned to like hair color, cut hair, and all that kind of good stuff. So this has been really fun to get back into it because I haven't done this since like literally like 2018. So this is super cool. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video as I'm teaching you how I know best how to do this. Alright, and then now I'm also going just back into the hair, just making sure that everything is bleached properly, you know, just to really get everything done. Alright, so I ended up washing the hair off camera, so as you can see it was well bleached, everything is brown, orangey-ish. So now I'm just doing the weaving method where I am bleaching with a 40 volume. I'm doing some highlights throughout the whole hair just to give it more of highlight dimension throughout the whole hair. So that's honestly what I'm doing in this step. It's going again back into the hair and taking smaller pieces and putting 40 volume on the hair. Anyways, enjoy the music as you're just watching me bleach more knots. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in on it. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. So now you see that I've rinsed out the hair off camera, so you can see the bleach highlights that I've added throughout the whole hair. Honestly, looking super amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you my brown the brown coloring that I'm gonna use for the roots. This is the ash blonde that I'm gonna be using as highlights, and this is the sunlight golden brown color that I'm also gonna be using as highlights throughout the hair. So I ended up sectioning my hair. So what I'm gonna start off is by putting some brown, medium brown color on the roots of the hair, as you can see, because I didn't want it too dark, so I wanted a bit of that medium dark brown, not the dark black color. And then I'm doing again the weaving method. So guys, these are the steps I'm gonna be doing. So first, I'm going to be putting ash blonde color on the first set of weaving hair. Then the hair that I didn't put ash blonde on, I'm going to put sunlight golden brown on it. Then I'm going to take another section and put ash blonde on it, and then leave out the other pieces to put the brown colorings. So that is pretty much the pattern I'm going to be going through throughout the whole hair. So make the roots dark brown, and then separating the hair in the weaving method by putting ash blonde, then sunlight golden brown, then again weaving the hair, putting ash blonde, and then leaving out some pieces so I can put the brown coloring. So you'll see how I put the brown coloring after. For now I'm gonna leave it out and just do the ash blonde and the sunlight golden brown, but later on you'll see me putting brown dye over the rest of the hair. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright, now that I'm done with all the highlights, now all the pieces that were left over, I'm putting all brown dyes on them, so it's honestly super easy. I use the aluminum foil just to not mess anything around, and also to kind of have the other colors bleach properly into the colors. So yeah, honestly this is super easy. All I'm saying is this: it took me 2 days to get this color, so if you do not have patience to do this, please don't do it and get a specialist to do it for you. But at the end of the day, it's super easy. Alright, here is the result. So basically I ended up curling my hair off camera, and now I'm just taking off the pin so that you can see the hair color. It's looking so good, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I'm gonna keep bleaching all of my old wigs, because this is an old wig that I had in my closet that I haven't used for a year, and I'm just like, might as well just bleach it. So you'll definitely be seeing more video on bleaching, hair coloring, just because I want to use up all my wigs. Because as a hair owner, I honestly have so much wig at home, so might as well use them and do fun stuff with it. Oh my gosh, looking so beautiful. I love it. And there you have it, guys. Well bleached. Sorry, I was talking and for some reason the volume didn't record anything. The recorder on my camera didn't record anything of my voice, so this is why you're getting a voiceover. But I'm pretty much explaining how I did the roots dark brown. In the bottom you can see more of the brown, and you see the highlights. Like, this came out to perfection, guys. I love it so much. Like, wow, what a beautiful color. So there it is, guys. If you want to try this at home, definitely do it. If you want me to do it, girl, and you live in Ottawa, DM me on Instagram. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely come back for more, because I have more videos for you guys. Anyways, love you guys, and bye.
I just can't stop thinking about